Sandra, I wash. Me I wash. Member say me need to come. Sandra wash, me I wash. I'm left you washing and come down here to Miss Johnson because Miss Johnson outside. What do you hear? Samantha I do her ear, but they always in the social media singing with them about them. I know if I see Napa, whatever I sing them and say him a do something with his hair, if you put it on it. Have a little girl, have a camera out the door now and I do the synapse in something. When we look in the video, when me tell you how me see the video first of all, I work me there. Somebody come to me and say to me, say, them see my daughter in a one video we gone viral and how much millions of people I share the video and I talk about it. So me say my daughter, me know in doing synopsis and in a high jail and then something the social media but me name. So me say my daughter, then say come look on the video. Me look. The little girl a video herself and do her hair. Miss Johnson take up her enough self and come and tell my daughter about her ear dry and tough and her ear need to do something and how she if she or sister brown and fat. You know she say Miss Johnson out of that. Me say if you never come me, me no know what me that because me say if you cut me you don't see no blood in me. Miss Johnson out of that. So dress me come to address her and tell her say me no want to put down my Bible because over. Me no want to put down my Bible and take up back certain things. And tell her say if she see my daughter on the left, she can walk on the right. And vice versa. Because Miss Johnson Sandra me can go down here. Cause right now it's just a real up back anger in me. Oh Miss Johnson out of order. You know she say at them make picnic don't love themselves. And all our bleach out. And the little girl come and I say, Mommy, I choose send me black. Oh, don't me no black book on right here, so brown. And I'll do this. And they say, where she get that from? Because she not do them something because me teach them to love themselves. And do them declaration a morning time. Say, I am beautiful. And so Miss Johnson come and take up her. Miss Johnson out. Yeah. Out of that, she out of that. I can't go down here because my boy some soup. I come drink my soup and finish and go to lick it 2 pieces of clothes then. Nobody put me in trouble, but when it come out to my opinion, then don't do it. If her head dry, me tell her say her head dry. Alright, yeah, Sandra. I can't get to the Akia.